Welcome to Sunny La Union, a premier tourist spot known for its consistent surf, vibrant coffee, and spectacular sunset. This is the surfing capital of the North. And ang sikat dito, ang Orbistondo Beach. Ngayon, ayaw mo sa surfing? No problem. Marami pang pwedeng puntahan. Panoorin nyo to. Take a land tour and enjoy the man-made forest, the historical Baluarte Watchtower. Enjoy the arts in Bahay na Bato and Bato de Luna, Pebble Beach, and visit the three lagoons of Imuki Island at syempre Tangadan Falls. Oh, so habang summer pa, tara La Union tayo. To check out our full video, please visit our YouTube channel, BPO Budget Travels, and Gala, youtube.com/lakwachambpo. Thank you mga kalakwatsa!